Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, guys. So, welcome to Outsmart by Hamza, your go-to place to unlock your success. Hey, Ice Warriors, welcome back. Did you know 73% of the test takers lose marks on one Ice secret that the examiners never explain? Today, I am exposing that exact rule along with 5 band 9 secrets that helped me and my students to ace Ielts in 2024 and in the current year 2025. Even if your English is not perfect, stick around because secret number 3 slashed my on prep time by 50%. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into it. First thing first, smash that like button if you are aiming for a band 7 or higher because it tells you to get more serious. And don't forget to push the bell icon so that you are updated with the more game changing tips in the future as well. So, the secret number 1 is that stop using the word very. My dear students, examiners hate this word. For example, instead of using very tired, you can use extremely exhausted, absolutely exhausted, extremely delicious, but don't use the word very. One of my recent student has improved his band score from 6.5 to 8.5 band by just fixing this very very little issue. Okay, you guys need to use specific vocabulary words and professional approach into your writing and speaking skills if you want to score higher band. Secret number 2 is that the 2-minute rule in IELTS speaking test. Do you know examiners decide your score in the first 2 minutes of your IELTS speaking? So you should start strong with the phrases like, so instead of yes, you can use the word that's a thought provoking question. This shows the examiner that you know how to buy time. This is a very professional approach instead of because I have told you in my previous videos. You guys can go and scroll down and see those videos as well, in which I have explained the 5 factors which examiners undertake while deciding your score. So fluency is one of the major factor in that scenario. And if you are stuttering like at the start of the answering your question, so it will not going to help you. Instead, your band score will come from this to this. The secret number 3 is that don't get yourself trapped in a 3 paragraph structure IELTS writing task to essay, because it is very important for you guys to give your answer in 4 paragraph based structured essay. And how you can design it, I have recently uploaded a video on IELTS writing task 2, the strategies on how you can structure your essay from introduction till the conclusion. You guys can watch that video as well. So in a quick time, I'll just review it. You guys need to give 1 paragraph on introduction and your clear opinion and thought about the topic. In second one, if it's a advantages or disadvantages based essay, you give your advantages, one example. Third paragraph, disadvantages, one example. Fourth, conclusion is very important to support your argument which you have given in the first paragraph. So that's a very quick review. For detailed analysis, you guys can see my previous video as well on IELTS writing task 2. Secret number 4 is time bombing listening section. Most of the students fail in IELTS listening section because they don't know about the distraction trick. For example, the audio says the event is scheduled on Friday. Oh, it's on Saturday. Yes. And if you write Friday in your answer book, then you are going to lose the marks. So listen to the audio, acclimatize yourself according to the accent. For that purpose, you need to practice a lot. For that purpose, I have made the recent IELTS listening test, practice test, and mock test in my playlist for IELTS listening section. So go out there, practice yourself, and don't get yourself trapped in these sort of distractions. So finally, the fifth and the last secret is that the 10-minute IELTS reading shortcut. And the golden tip to achieve the band 9 in IELTS reading is skim the questions before the passage if you want to score band 9. One of my students in Mumbai, India, has improved his band score from 5.5 to 8 in IELTS reading by just using this simple and easy skimming technique. So, if you need detailed analysis, I have uploaded detailed cracking of each IELTS section in my longer videos. So go out there, check the videos, and if you're facing any sort of difficulties, just comment me so that I can make more videos on that specific topic and help you to achieve your band score. So where are you going? Before going, hit the like button, do touch the bell icon, and do subscribe my channel, and do share with your friends who are prepping for IELTS. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care, Allah Hafiz, bye bye, and happy Ramzan Kareem to all of you. So Allah Hafiz.